Hello students, today I'm going to be showing you how to add and contribute to a forum. So as you can see right now, I'm on the 7th and 8th grade Art Adventurers course page. Now if you're in a different grade, just go to your course that you are trying to add to a discussion. You scroll down and find the discussion you're trying to add to. So maybe you're trying to add, you have a burning question you want to add to it. You click the link right above it. This icon means that it's a forum. Then when you get in there, it'll say add new discussion topic. You'll type in the subject of your discussion. So maybe it's the title of your question or what the project was. What is a clay quiz? And here you can add pictures by clicking here. You can record a video clicking this and record yourself talking. Here you can upload a video. So you click and you go in and browse your repository, so your files. And here you would type anything you wanted to type that is about your question or any questions you had to answer for the assignment. Then all you do is post a forum. Make sure you type it in. Post a forum. And now you have 30 minutes to change anything if you feel you need to. And it is on here, right where you can see it. And then other people, so to answer or to post, you'll click the forum description. And now inside here, you'll be able to answer certain things. You can reply. Because it's mine, I can delete it or edit, but only for the next 30 minutes. And then you just click reply if that's what you're supposed to be doing, and then submit. And that is how you use forums on Moodle.